Hey everybody, good morning. It is Thursday, April 9th. I know the date today. And today we are going to be making a special Easter snack and cute little Easter bags that I found from afewshortcuts.com. And so you can do these with your kids, or you can surprise them and put them in the cute little Easter bag for a snack. We are going to be making some to eat, and we are also going to be making some and dropping them off on our family's porches since we can't see them. Just something to make them smile, and it gets the kids out of the house for a car ride. So if you like it, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we hope that we gave you another idea of something to do during this quarantine. See you soon. Okay, we are back. So I have all the ingredients laid out that you need for your special Easter mix. And then you also are going to need some of these brown lunch bags. So we have popcorn, which is going to be the base of our mix. Chex Mix or any other cereal is fine. White chocolate or regular chocolate that you can melt. I have a few sprinkles left, some marshmallows, and cheese and crackers. We may or may not put in Fruit Loops, I'm not sure. The sugar level is already off the hook. So those are our ingredients for our Chex Mix. And then let me show you how to make the bunny bag. So it's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna fill it with your snack mix and then tie a cute little ribbon around it. So you're gonna take your bag and you're gonna fold it in half long way. And then you're just gonna grab your scissors and on the fold, you're gonna cut 1 inch in, however big you want your ears. And then you're gonna go up and create those ears. So cut 1 inch in on the fold and then up and just kind of round it out to create your ears. And there you have your bunny bag. And once it's filled, we're gonna tie a cute little ribbon, and then that will be your bag full of snacks. So let's get started. Okay, so we just got out a sheet pan while the popcorn is popping, a piece of parchment paper that we're gonna lay it all on. And once the popcorn is done popping, we'll lay it all out onto the sheet pan. Okay, so we have our popcorn on our tray, and we're gonna end up doing 2 trays. We have another thing of popcorn in the microwave, and now we're gonna add our Chex. Okay, so we have our popcorn all laid out on our parchment paper, and now we are going to add the Chex Mix.
Mom.
Okay, so now we have our Chex Mix and we just mixed it all together, and now we're gonna add our white chocolate over the top, and then we're gonna add everything else so that it sticks. Okay, I ended up just adding the marshmallows and some Fruit Loops, and then we'll pour the white chocolate on top, and then once the white chocolate is on, we'll add our sprinkles. So there is sugar in it, but at least the Chex and the popcorn help balance it out a little bit. All right, we mixed in the white chocolate, so now they're all gonna take a turn and add our sprinkles. All right, Nora's turn.
That's a lot of sprinkles. Woo!
Good job.
That is mud everywhere.
Yeah, mix it all around. Let it stick to the white chocolate.
Mommy,
All right, so this is our Easter mix. We're gonna finish our bags. You can decorate your bags any way you want. This has to sit and harden so the white chocolate hardens, even though our little hands are already in it. And then we can stuff our bags. Okay, so now they are decorating their bags. I'm gonna keep mine a rustic because I like the rustic look also, but this is an art project.
Mommy and Mom.
Yeah,
Okay.
that looks awesome, Nora. I can't wait to see what your bunnies are gonna look like, and then we can fill them with our snack. All right, so we have finished our mix. We're letting it set and they're coloring their bags. And if you don't have white chocolate or any chocolate, just make a trail mix. It'll be fun no matter what you put in it. So we hope you like it and we'll see you soon.